unbox my Boeing 777-300ER Scale 1 to 200 Expo 2020. I got this from the Emirates official store. It has 8 first class, 42 business class and 310 economy. So it has 360 seats and it's low density. And I realized that the blue box is blue in color because the plane model I got is blue. Now we can unbox the plane. Now the last one. This is the body and the registration is A6-EPK. The reason I bought this model is it's the 777-300ER and it's my favorite. The A380 has not arrived yet, but I'm sure it will arrive soon. Now we'll move on to the tail. Here is the tail. Now I think we have to move on to the wings. On the outer part it's given Expo 2020 in blue. On the other side the Emirates logo is given. So now we can put the wings. Just give me some time. Yes. We'll move on to the stabilizers. Right here. The stabilizer should be upright. Here we go. Just after fixing this plane, I feel it's very beautiful with the Expo 2020. Other colors are available. By the way, the 3 colors represent, actually it represents opportunity, mobility, and sustainability. According to this plane, I think this is mobility because I really love it. And thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.